We recently got an air fryer and also a frying pan that has a non-stick finish. So all my utensils were metal, so I needed to get a set that was silicone on the end so it doesn't scratch. So I got this 3-piece set off of Amazon. This one is the regular tongs. This one is kind of like a small spatula on the end. This works really well for grilled cheese. I really like this, or taking chicken breasts out of the air fryer, or anything else you want to get out of the air fryer. And then this one is kind of like, it could be for pasta, hot dogs, sausages, anything like that. I really like that they have the holes on the end, so if you want to hang them up, you can. And then they open, but also when you go to store them, you just pull this up and it will keep them closed, which I really like that too. These are very comfortable. The hands have silicone on the side, so it's not just metal. But we've been using these for about a month and we all seem to really like them.